Today we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Super Bee, a car that blends raw performance with aggressive styling and modern tech. This muscle car has been designed to capture the essence of its classic predecessors while embracing cutting-edge innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this ride stand out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Super Bee keeps its iconic muscle car looks while adding a modern twist. The front is dominated by a bold grille, aggressive hood scoops, and sharp, angular headlights, giving it that intimidating stance you expect from a muscle car. The body lines are sculpted to emphasize its athleticism, with flared fenders that house massive wheels. The Dodge has made sure to maintain that aggressive look, but with a fresh design that still pays homage to the Super Bee's legacy. The rear features a prominent spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and sleek LED taillights that continue the modern yet retro vibe. Now, stepping inside the cabin, the 2025 Dodge Super Bee offers a combination of comfort and performance. The seats are sporty with a mix of leather and suede that offer a firm yet supportive feel. You get a nice balance between comfort for daily driving and the grip you need when pushing the car to its limits. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with the steering wheel offering great tactile feedback, and the infotainment system is cutting-edge. A large touchscreen integrates seamlessly into the center stack, and it runs on Dodge's Uconnect system, which is fast, intuitive, and offers features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice recognition. A digital instrument cluster sits behind the wheel, showing all your essential information in a clean, modern interface. It's clear that Dodge has kept the driver experience at the forefront, blending performance with luxury touches. Performance-wise, the 2025 Super Bee is a beast. Under the hood, you have options that cater to both purists and those looking for power. The base engine is a 6.4-liter V8, producing around 485 horsepower, but if you want something more, you can step up to the 707 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. This engine delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and an unmistakable roar that turns heads wherever you go. Coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this car handles like a dream, offering precise steering, excellent cornering, and a powerful launch off the line. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it through a twisty mountain road, the Super Bee is equipped to provide an exhilarating driving experience. In terms of handling, Dodge has really worked to refine the Super Bee's suspension. You'll notice a smoother ride compared to earlier models, but it doesn't sacrifice the sharp handling you expect from a muscle car. The chassis is tuned for performance, and the car feels planted whether you're driving in a straight line or throwing it into a corner. Braking performance is equally impressive, with massive Brembo brakes providing strong stopping power to keep up with the power under the hood. As for the price, the 2025 Dodge Super Bee starts around $45,000 for the base model, but if you opt for the higher performance variants, you could be looking at a price tag closer to $60,000. While that's a lot of money, it's competitive when you compare it to other cars in its class that offer similar performance. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Super Bee combines the best of both worlds. A modern muscle car that honors its iconic roots while delivering an unmatched driving experience. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with some serious performance capabilities or a car that turns heads every time you hit the road, the Super Bee doesn't disappoint. It's an exciting blend of performance, technology, and heritage, making it a must-have for enthusiasts and those who appreciate raw, unfiltered power.